So you just joined a new Facebook group on Facebook and you're wondering, how in the world can I post inside this Facebook group? And in this video, I'm going to go over with you not only how you can post inside this Facebook group, but what a post is and how you can use posting on Facebook to your advantage. Let's go!
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, and I'm an organic marketing coach who has helped hundreds of people build systems so that they could find their next clients online organically. And today, I'm going to go over with you exactly how you can post in a Facebook group, what exactly is a post on Facebook, and ultimately when is best for you to post on Facebook, and the great advantages that you get. Let's go right now. So, what is posting on Facebook? So, Facebook was built back in 2004, ultimately as a social network to help keep people connected. And one of the ways that keep people connected is through Facebook groups. Facebook groups are groups of people basically that are collected together on Facebook that allow those people who are like-minded to be able to see certain posts and stuff like that on Facebook that wouldn't be available to the other people on Facebook. These are groups of people, right? Think of it as corners or rooms on Facebook where you can go and you can join kind of like a club. So when you go into this club and you ultimately say you go and you join some of these Facebook groups and you're wanting to post, what exactly are you doing? Well, when you're posting on Facebook, especially inside a Facebook group, you're going to be adding yourself to that discussion. So by asking yourself a question or by going in there and posting some sort of knowledge or something you might know, it's important to know that inside this Facebook group, to get people to engage and ultimately to have the chance of meeting people, it's going to be best to post something that has to do with that Facebook group. So if you joined a Facebook group that has to do with, finding clients online, it would make sense that when you join that Facebook group, you're going to be talking about that theme of that Facebook group. If you join another Facebook group of, say, golfing, and when you join that Facebook group of golfing, you want to make sure that when you enter that Facebook group, you're talking about golfing and not something like baseball, because you're probably not going to get very much engagement and meet anybody that's going to want to talk to you if you're talking about baseball. So it's very important that when we post in these Facebook groups to get the engagement and to meet people and to use Facebook groups to our advantage, we make sure that we're posting in these Facebook groups following the themes of these Facebook groups. Before I show you exactly how you can go into a Facebook group and post, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day, helping show you exactly how you can find your next clients online organically for free. So click on that button and subscribe. All right, so let me show you step by step exactly how you can post in a Facebook group. Let's go. All right, so you're wanting to post on a Facebook group and you go over to Facebook and you visit your personal profile. So you're over here on your personal profile on Facebook. The first thing we want to do is we want to find the group that we want to post in. So we're going to go over here to the menu on the top right-hand corner on your desktop, on the bottom right-hand corner of your phone. When you click on menu, obviously you're going to look for groups. So we're going to find groups. We're going to click on groups here. When you go over to groups, what you're going to notice is groups that you manage and groups that you've joined. So I'm going to go to one of the groups that I manage. And it is the exact same way in groups that you've joined. I'm just going over to one of the groups that I've managed. What we would do is you're going to go here, and just like you would post on your personal profile, you're then, since you're a member of that group, going to be able to go in and post as a member of that community. So what you would do is where it says what's on your mind here, you would simply click on that to create a post, and then you can add a photo or a video. You can, of course, tag people, do a live video, or any one of the number of things that you can do inside that Facebook group. Okay. What you would do is you would simply just, put something up here, and just like you would do a regular post, you would put something up here, and then you would simply click post right here to post inside that Facebook group. And that is exactly how you post in a Facebook group. So you looking to post in Facebook groups so that you can network with people and find your next client on Facebook? Then my super online organic prospecting system bundle is just for you. This bundle comprises of 3 of my best-selling courses, all geared around helping you find your next client online for free organically. And right now you can grab your super online organic prospecting system bundle for over 97% off. Just head over to www.supersidsbundle.com or click on the link in the description. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by claiming your super online organic prospecting system bundle by clicking on that link in the description. We'll see you next time. Talk soon.
Let's go. We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.